What is up, guys? Welcome to a new Privon Trade Recap video. Very excited to show you guys how I lost money today, so that's gonna be really fun. Without further ado, yeah, enjoy the video. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe, and yeah, follow our socials and join the Discord so that you guys can stay updated with everything we do. If you guys are interested in being mentored by either myself, Rondev, Nathan, or Vin, please let us know in the comments or just join the Discord. You can contact us there. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this trade recap. Day 2 of Privon Trade Review. So today a lot of people weren't trading, and I can see why. I mean, honestly, price action was pretty good today, but you know, it's Friday, a lot of people don't want to trade. So let's just quickly go through market analysis real quick. So high time frame, holy fucking candle. But where's this free market? 9, 8. Okay, that's yeah. Okay, so I really wanted to see all these lows kind of get ran while tapping into this gap. I mean, we already did tap into it, but like just see all of this get ran through before we actually go up, and we only had like one low get ran through before we actually pushed up. So that, I don't know, I didn't take this as such a good setup, although just basing myself off of like pre-market, right, looking here, if I were to take anything during what's it called, market open, it would have been that. But I mean, it was too early in market open, but you know, excuses at the end of the day. We didn't take, you know what I mean? So anyways, here CE goes up, mark the new fib, 7.9, just good PA here, right? So just going on the 1 minute. So here, I'm gonna chop about the 7.9. So on the 1 minute, I didn't like the look of this, and also to be very, you know, honest with you guys, I wasn't there for market open. I joined around like here, so it could have been a nice pullback into here, but I was looking for more good entries off of here. Anyways, peak, didn't get it. It's fine. Happens to the best of us. So go here, mark that out. Go manipulate, take out those lows. So we just chop here, like boom, 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 go up, down, chop. As I said, would have hoped to take out these lows, but that's fine. What else do we have here? What are we even tapping into here? Like, just trying to figure out a rejection wick, I guess, but really nothing too interesting. I mean, as you can see, we had SMT with ES, so that just, you know, kind of improves the, what's it called, the confluences here. So anyways, let's go back to the 1 minute. That would have been a good long, I think, off of there. Just couldn't take it, wasn't there on time. So now actually going to the shitty ass trade. I mean, actually, as you can see, it played out later, but fortunately got stopped out. I think pretty much BE, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so anyways, like here, I wanted to take this trade, but then I realized after I took the trade, I made a mistake, you know, so it happens. But I was just taking, you know, off here, I wanted to take a unicorn at the, once this pullback happened. I wanted to come down here, it only came down to here. Now that I'm like, no, not even. If I just look at that, yeah, didn't pull back enough for me to want any entries there. I'm thinking maybe if I did that, would that have been the breakout leg actually? Oh, no, sorry, I'm bullshitting. I entered around here. I think I started looking at the charts around here. Didn't, you know, this placement didn't give me a good entry. Kept going, and I was like, okay, here, longs could play when we come back down here, right? And so I don't know what in me told me to. I think I marked it from here. Yeah. I don't know what in me told me to do that. Silly. Yeah, there we go. So this is what I marked out because I saw this wick being sponsored by here, and then I wanted to basically see longs up from the 7.9. Unfortunately, obviously that didn't play out. I had my stop. I should have had my stop at that wick, but instead I had it at the CE of the wick. So I got, let's see how many points. Yeah, around like a 10-point stop, basically 13. So yeah, I got demolished in 1 minute, but it's okay, you know. But yeah, I should have had it there. Would have gone up, but then would have stopped me out anyways. So I would have probably put break even once we hit that gap, which now that I think of it, don't like it too much. Yeah, really not an A+ setup, so bad trade for me today. However, I think I should have taken this one because if we look back, I don't know why I marked that. I should have marked this entire move, right? That swing low, comes, hits the 705 perfectly. I should have entered off there and had my stop at either the 79 or maybe that gap over there. I think that would have been much nicer, and obviously would have played out, would have targeted probably that right there. I would have targeted all-time highs. So 6.5 RR would have been nice, but you know, you win some, you lose some. So now we're 1 for 1. Not at Rondo's level yet, unfortunately, but we will get there. Also, look at that little 8 level over there that I marked from before. Went and hit it, and now we're slowing down. So hopefully we can see some reversal potential off of here. I don't know. We'll never know, at least until later. But yeah, so that would have, I think, been a very nice trade. If it were up to me, I would have preferred to take this, but obviously it's easier to say it once it actually happened. But yeah, bad trade for me. I think here I went long around there, if I'm not mistaken, because there was an OB lining up here. Yeah, there we go. That was my confluence as well. So C of OB there, targeting that with a stop right there. Let's see, yeah. So that would have been a 5. Fortunately, you know, lost there. And then it played out, which happens. But yeah, that was our trades. I mean, I reviewed like 3 trades today, but you know, hopefully you guys liked it. If you guys have any questions, obviously leave it in the comments below. But otherwise, hope you guys have a nice day. Definitely don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. You know, all of our socials will be in the link below, or you know, in the description below. And yeah, all the best to you guys. And hope. Ooh.
Maybe we enter here.
Would that even be crazy to say with the SMT? Okay, so I did find this setup. Didn't enter it because obviously, I don't know. Don't want to enter when I've already lost one trade a day rule, and we're sticking to that. Don't want to, you know, mess with my emotions and become an emotional trader, like a lot of people can become, unfortunately. So, yeah. Here, let me just forward test it though. What the hell? Okay. Anyways, I wouldn't be surprised if this doesn't play, because you shouldn't be really shorting all-time highs, but this is kind of top tick demon activity here, trying to do that. But anyways, let's see if that plays. Apart from that, not much else to cover. Thank you guys for watching the video. It's been a pleasure. Thank you for all the recent support, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Okay guys, if you've made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. Again, giveaways coming soon on the Discord. But look at what I said, okay? I'm gonna slowly reveal. Oh. And again. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Perfect trades right there. Boom. And even, you know what we can even do here? You know what we can even do? We can even go here. See how we marked out that whole leg down there? Oh wait, that was what I was marking out. Never mind. But yeah, now we keep going up. But bro, look at that. 1 minute overlaps with the 5 minute. That acts as a perfect draw on liquidity and reversal point, so that then we can go and move up again. As you can see, look, we can do. I guarantee. We go here. Okay. We see that. Boom. Bam. 705. Right there. Right where it's gonna be. So yeah, different gravy, guys. Just different gravy. But yeah, look at that. I would have set my TP exactly at that CE, which is what I did. However, obviously it didn't go touch it, so I would have gated probably until there. Probably would have taken profit around, you know, here. Still would have given me 4R. Not a bad trade. Yeah, if you guys TP'd at the start of that though, would have been I think 5. No, 4.5. Okay, yeah, not that big of a deal. But anyways, good trade idea. Happy it actually played out. So the idea was there. And then bro, if you took reversal longs off of there, would have been disgusting. But yeah, obviously 1 trade a day, so we keep it like that. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching. And yeah, see you next time. Follow all the socials, subscribe, like. Thank you for the support again. And yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.